I'm Ruth Friedman, Director of the Office of Child Care at the Administration for Children and Families with the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services. Recently, our team notified the public that we have proposed changes to the Child Care and Development Fund. That's a federal program that funds states, tribes, and territories to provide subsidies to families to help them afford childcare. Our proposals are designed to lower childcare costs and increase childcare options for families receiving the Child Care and Development Fund benefits, to increase the financial stability of childcare providers accepting subsidies, and to make it easier for families to apply for and receive childcare benefits. These proposed changes are currently posted online and open for public comment through August 28th, 2023. As you review the proposed changes and consider commenting on how the proposal will impact you and your family, I'd like to share an overview of what they are intended to do for families. The proposed rule is designed to benefit families a number of ways, but two key ways in particular. First, it's designed to lower family child care costs for those receiving child care benefits. Second, it's designed to make enrolling in child care benefits in your state, territory, or tribe easier and faster. To lower child care costs, if you're a family benefiting from child care subsidies, the rule proposes to cap parent copayments at 7% of family income. States have flexibility under the Child Care and Development Fund program in how much parents receiving subsidies pay out of pocket. But the law prohibits parent copayments that would be a barrier to childcare access. States currently have sliding scale copayment fees, with many families with extremely low incomes paying nothing out of pocket. This would not change. It would mean, however, that states could not set the maximum family copayment rate to be more than 7% of a family's income. For many families, this will mean your childcare subsidy is worth more and will keep your out-of-pocket costs down. The rule also proposes to make it easier for states implementing the Child Care and Development Fund to waive family copayments for families with incomes below 150% of the federal poverty line. That means, for example, a family of four with a household income of about $45,000 would not have to pay a copayment if their state chooses to take up this policy. The rule also proposes to waive copayments for families who have a child with disabilities. States can, in fact, waive copayments for these participating families now, but this proposal would make it easier for them to do it. And tribes that administer the Child Care and Development Fund program can choose to waive copayments for all families receiving child care subsidies under this proposal. In regard to making it easier for families to enroll in child care benefits, the proposed changes would make it easier for states to give families presumptive eligibility, which would help get subsidies into the hands of families quicker so they don't lose out on jobs or other opportunities while waiting for assistance to start. The presumptive eligibility proposal would mean that when a state is reviewing a family's application for a child care subsidy, it can use some basic information to determine if a family is likely to be eligible for a subsidy, and if so, offer the child care subsidy more quickly and for a short time while the state is still determining the family's long-term eligibility. Additionally, the proposed changes would encourage states to simplify enrollment into child care subsidy programs by encouraging states to do things like offer online subsidy applications and use a family's enrollment in another public benefit to verify their eligibility for child care subsidies. As I mentioned, the proposed changes are open for public comment period, and you can review the full proposal and provide your comments through www.regulations.gov. You should search by docket number ACF-2023-0003. Public comment is really helpful to our efforts to make sure this program works well for families and providers. Please know that we want to review all of your comments and questions, but our team can only address comments made directly through the official federal government portal. I hope you check it out, and we look forward to learning your thoughts.